So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So we know that today, finally, the stock has given the perfect breakout and currently it is trading near the 128 rupees level with almost 10% positive movement. So we know that 2 days back also have discussed about Tata Power and clearly have explained you 2 points why you need to buy this particular stock and how technically it is looking very bullish. So first one was it has given a golden crossover and second reason was in weekly time frame chart it has given a very good breakout. So that's why I suggested many people to buy this particular stock. And also we know that in our second channel Stocks Diary Education, in that particular video I've explained a one screener setup that generates you stocks which are having very good breakout. So today many of our subscribers have gone through that particular screener and they have made some very good profits. So I may also suggest you to watch those particular videos especially related to stock market education and most importantly screener setup, which gives you automatically the stocks which are having a very good breakout. So do subscribe to that particular channel as well. So if you have not yet joined the Telegram, do join it so that you will not miss any instant updates. Okay, so moving further towards what are the various updates which are going in Tata Power. So you can see Competition Commission of India has approved the acquisition of 51% of equity share capital in the three electricity supply companies of Orissa, Western Electricity Supply Company, and another one is Southern Electrical Supply Company and Central Electricity Supply Company by the Tata Power Company. So this was the particular update which was released today. So on that particular note itself, both technically as well as the news based also the stock has reacted. Okay, so yesterday also when I was discussing about Adani Power, so clearly I told to focus on power sector. So what the various updates which are running around power sector would be benefited not only for Adani but also for other power generation companies, especially Tata Power. So ultimately all these news as well as technically it has made the stock look very perfect near the levels. So that's why today as usual it has given the 10% positive movement. So now I'll take you to the technical charts and I'll discuss what are the immediate supports that you need to watch out, and also I'll try to discuss the targets that the company will be achieving in short term followed by long term. Okay, so moving further towards the day-to-day wise deliveries in Tata Power. So you can see on 8th June, it has given around 22.3% deliveries and you can see 3.3% positive movement was seen. And on 7th June, we have seen 30.2% deliveries and it has given 4.8% positive movement. So there was a huge competition between Adani Power and Tata Power that who would reach their all-time highs first. But obviously because of the power as well as the huge volumes that Adani Power already has made that rally first, but Tata Power, as I'm telling, it is a steady moving stock, and even though it is a time taking company, but definitely in long term it may give some very good returns. That's why I suggested most of the stocks like power segment related only, especially Tata as well as Adani. So these are the major updates related to CCA approval, followed by how the screener setup is also working very well. So quickly let's go to technical charts and we'll try to see what are the next possible levels. Okay, so we are back onto the technical charts and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Tata Power. So 2 days back, not 2 days back roughly, 2 days back itself when I discussed about Tata Power. So you can watch that particular video very clearly. So directly go to the technical section. So that time itself I have told that a crossover has been generated. So whenever remember this, keep the point in mind, whenever any small moving average, let's say 50-day exponential moving average, for example, it is crossing the larger moving average, let's say 200-day exponential moving average, so that is called a bullish crossover. So for my reference, I always take 50 as well as 200 and I will suggest you to take that particular moving averages onto your technical charts so that for swing and for long term definitely it will be very useful. So when that particular crossover has been generated, so how do you confirm that? So confirmation, clearly you can see it has given a breakout from the pivot resistance on weekly time frame. So that's why I tell you need to analyze on a larger time frame. So whenever on weekly time frame, the strong resistance, whenever it is giving any breakout followed by crossover, you need to enter blindly with very good decent quantity, so that in short term as well as in swing trade also you will be benefited very well. And as usual, Tata Power is also fundamentally very good, so you can carry forward that for long term as well. Okay, so if we go a little bit down and if we see money flow index, so that is near 57. So it has not even, okay, gone to overbought region. So still it is in the mid range only. And if you see volume, so those are increasing on a regular basis. So that is also a secondary confirmation. So all these things are satisfying. So that's why I have told to buy Tata Power, even if you want to do any swing or positional. And coming to people who have bought at low levels, especially when you used to discuss near 90-95 rupees region, so they can definitely go for holding this particular stock. So don't book any sort of short-term profit. So this is a long-term stock. Definitely it will continue its further journey. Okay, so moving towards one day chart, currently you can see the level or pivot resistance is present near the 128 rupees region. So closing above 128 today is going to be very important. So if it does that, then definitely, okay, in coming sessions also it will continue that particular uptrend, and in near term 135 140 can be easily seen. Okay, so hold it patiently. So don't do any sort of short-term profit booking, and if you're having any sort of fresh entry at the current level, so hold it for a midterm also. Definitely you'll be getting very good profits. And do subscribe the channel if you have not done that. And in second channel, free of cost, I'm explaining all the screener setup for swing trade, intraday trading, everything. So practice and definitely you will also get the profit. So any doubts, message me in the comment section, and also connect with me within Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.